Ability AI. Introduction to Microsoft Teams.
My name is Dom. I'm going to be doing a little bit of an intro to Microsoft Teams, so I will share my screen. Okay, so I'm using the desktop version. In the top right corner, you'll see either your profile picture or your initials. You can click it. You can change your profile image if you haven't already. Located next to your profile image, it shows your current availability as well. So you see here I'm presenting. Here's where you would change your profile picture. So I can set my status to busy. See if I'm here, I can say available or I'm busy. Next, it's found at the top center of the screen labeled search. So right here, you can search for different people or different documents. It's useful for quickly finding chats, files, commands, or people. Now there's a sidebar, which is over here. It's also known as a sidebar, the navigation bar, the left-hand pane. For this, I'm going to just refer to it as a sidebar. It contains all your tools. It has your activity up here. There's chat. There's Teams. I don't have Teams here. I could add it though. So I'll go with Teams. Teams Manager. So yeah, you could add different applications by doing that. Click on these three dots. So there's calls, which is here. I could put files on here. And there's also calendar. How you start a conversation. You would have to go to the chats here. And let's say you want to create a new chat. So you go to new message. And I'm going to talk to Jonathan here in this chat. So, hi, John. How's it going? And I would send that to John. And you could share files, which is right here. You go attach a file. And you'd want to upload from this device. So you could pick a file and share it there. Like let's say I just want to share this one here. So I go there and then it uploads. How to book and manage meetings. We go to activity. You go to calendar. You would have new meeting up here in the corner. And let's say I want a new meeting, say from 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. You could add whoever you would like. For this, I'm just going to leave it blank because I'll show you how the meeting works. And then so yeah, 2 to 2:30. I'm going to leave this blank. You could add a title, add a description. And then, I will go ahead and start that. So save. As you can see, there's one right here. So there I would join the meeting that I just created. I'm not going to do that right now. In the meetings, you can mute participants. You would go, let's say this meeting right here. I can join it. But yeah, if you want to mute the participants, you could do that. You can share your screen. I'm sharing this screen right now. How would you go ahead and do that is you would stop it. And then in this screen, you could share your screen right here. So you'd share it, and then over here, And then you can stop sharing. For this, I will share this screen. And you can upload files within chat or during a meeting. Explore teams and channels where you collaboratively work and where the work really happens. So here, if I go to chat, I've got all the chats here. I have the channels. We got different channels for everything. So teams versus channels. Channels are like folders on a desk, a file manager. They're like channels, so you can have, let's say for example, for a refurbishment team, general meetings, pickup requests, that sort of thing. And you can organize and set up content in a channel using tabs, posts, and files effectively. So that's pretty much it for this session. So I'll go ahead and I'll see you in the next one.